This man cracked a joke on lightning. What happened next is unbelievable. It's no surprise that videos featuring rain, thunder, and lightning often go viral on Instagram. For one user, though, the storm had a sense of humor. While riding pillion during a downpour, an Instagram user casually filmed a video with his friend and joked that lightning only ever shows up in other people's clips. Moments later, nature clapped back, literally, with a sudden flash of lightning captured perfectly on camera. The unexpected moment left him stunned, and the internet in stitches. In the video, the user named Abhishek jokingly said, "Bhagwan aap surf ladkiyan ki videos main hi bijli jarate ho god, why do you only show lightning in girls' videos?" The very next instant, lightning was seen in the background, leaving him shocked. Talk about timing, right? Nana post shared by Kidan. The moment prompted hilarious responses from users. A social media user said, "Bhagwanji be like say no more." Another claimed, "God of Thunder was observing him at that time." Hence proved Thor is real. A user joked. Another individual had the perfect Friends reference for the moment and wrote, "And I want $1 million," as Chandler said. Some people had doubts over the authenticity of the clip. "I don't think thunder will be heard at the same time as lightning. So must be some editing too," a comment read. This isn't the only rainy day video that has captured viewers' attention. Earlier, a clip of a woman walking in the rain with a closed umbrella sparked plenty of laughs online. While everyone around her had their umbrellas open, she strolled casually through the downpour, seemingly unfazed. The video, which offers no details about the location or date, was shared in December 2024 and has since racked up over 11 million views. Nana post shared by Fuck Jerry swipe left for next video. As for the monsoon, the India Meteorological Department IMD has issued a yellow alert for Wednesday for Mumbai. The weather agency has forecast moderate to heavy rain in Mumbai city and suburbs, with the possibility of thunder lightning followed by gusty winds at isolated places. This year, Maharashtra witnessed the arrival of the southwest monsoon on May 25, 10 days before the usual onset date of June 5. This marks the earliest onset of monsoon in over 3 decades. In 1990, the monsoon arrived in the state on May 20. Latest blogs.